counter. At the time, I dreamed of becoming one of the bank teller who was efficiently counting money on the counter. That's why I chose this career to fulfill those dreams.
Wow, fantastic, ma'am. So the second question is, who is your motivation to achieve your goals?
As I grow old, I was motivated by my sister, who is commerce graduate, to become a successful businesswoman. Although I was not able to reach my dream as a successful businesswoman and a bank teller, I am grateful to say that I am satisfied in the God-given career that I have. For me, being an honest municipal revenue collection officer in this municipality is more than the career that I have chosen.
Wow, that's marvelous. You know, Ma'am Mary Magdalene, I'm very inspired by what you said. It's very fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Mary Magdalene, for answering the questions.
You're welcome.
I hope you're doing your best